It is our first snowfall, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It is snowing like crazy. I gotta try to get one of these snowflakes. Oh. Welcome guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Black Friday and so we're heading to the mall to do a little bit of shopping. We're next door, American Eagle. Yeah. And if you want to go, do you press the button for daddy? Eh? Yeah, that's what I say. Look like a woman jeans. Or what you want? It match your top. It hot. Yeah, you're right. Blessing, are you okay? You're just quiet in there. So American Eagle had some good little sale. So it wasn't bad at all in there. I got some t-shirts at American Eagle. You want coconut? I really like these shirts. They're like casual. You can wear them with jeans and whatever. It's very nice. They have the same Christmas tree as us? Yeah. Yeah. Hurry up, Mickey. Alright, Puma. If you want to go, you can go in, but I'm not going to go. Leave the baby with me. I'm not going to go. Mickey, come down, my helicopter for there, honey, man. Mickey, come. Yeah, I already took a picture of you. Okay, so now we're in Guess, and I saw these really nice burgundy sunglasses, and you guys know burgundy is my color, so of course I was really in love with this shade, and this is the time to buy these things because full price. They are so expensive, so it was a good deal for Black Friday sale. I also saw some watches. These are some nice little Christmas present ideas, and also some really cute bracelets and stuff like that. Really love them. Nice. Guys, I'm out window shopping. When you go out with kids, yes, prepare for spend unnecessarily. So they saw this donut van, and I decided to try the donuts already as well. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. You too. You gonna try your donut, Mickey? It's good, Mickey. It's good. That's good. It is snowing. Oh my goodness, there's some big snowflakes coming down, guys. Oh yeah. Winter is officially. Okay guys, my Sunday dinner is ready. Mega sure no, I'm not the chef today. My husband cook, but still I'm here the sharer. So mega sure no. Yeah, my nice chicken. Make some macaroni and cheese. Of course, it also has soda, so we're gonna eat rice and peas. I will have some oxtail deer in the pot. Alright, I'm going to cut the vegetable. Yeah, and you know what we are going to do with Jamaican carrot and cabbage. Chef, see the chef over there, so I'm tired. Okay, big up Chef Cutter. So guys, I'm going to share my husband dinner first because I have lots of more to feed to them. Okay. I have my nieces here and my nephew. So.
And if we go and share some, share this, share that.
Share rice first?
Yeah. Yeah, don't say it. Share one.
Okay. I don't know if I miss anybody. Mickey, what happened? Yeah. You guys come to the table. Mickey, sit here. Zana, sit there so when the paintbrush there.
Thank you. Where do my sit?
Right there. Is that it?
I'm next to Zendaya. You put Zendaya in that?
Yeah, it's fine.
Rose looks like ginger. Blue looks like the pinky scrunchie. Thank you, Angelina.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Angelina.
Who said that? Josiah?
Yeah.
Sit down, Zachary. I help. You don't need my help.
Sorry, mommy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, chum chum. Oh.
Chum chum asleep.
Yeah.
Zara, help Mickey sit in our chair, please.
Mickey, look, the piranha's eating my food. Rice tastes good. Or not. That was easy. Hey, Lord, hear our prayer. Dear Mary, we love you so much. I hope you have a good Jesus. We love you so much. Amen. I got it.
Amen.
Ouch. Thank you. Thank you.
What Josiah is missing?
Yeah. Thank you. Can you briefly real quick after?
Okay, sit down. This is what my whole weekend was like. Oh my goodness. But thank you guys so much for watching our YouTube channel. I hope you guys liked our video. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.